Hello everyone, today we will see how to draw irrational number on number line. We know that irrational numbers are the numbers which are not represented in the form of p by q or in the form of numerator upon denominator. Example of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. Pi is also an irrational number. So now today we will see how to draw this irrational number on the number line. So first of all, you should know about the Pythagoras theorem. If you know Pythagoras theorem, then you can calculate value of root 2. That means, suppose this is a right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in case of right angle triangle. So this is a base, this is a perpendicular and this is a hypotenuse. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. That means square of hypotenuse equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. So we have to calculate value of root 2. So how to calculate value of root 2? If suppose b and p, that means base and perpendicular both are 1, then we will calculate the value. 1 square, it will be 1. 1 square is equal to 1, and this is the value of h square. So h square is equal to 2. Okay, and that this implies that h is equal to this square. When it will go into RHS, it will be root 2. So for the root 2, what is the condition? That the both base and perpendicular, this should be 1 unit. So with the help of a scale, we will draw a line. I am drawing this line. Now take any length. Suppose I am taking 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, it will be equal to 1 unit. Okay, 2 centimeter, that means 1 unit I will take it. So this is the line I have drawn. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and there are many numbers. So what we will do, first of all, we have to keep base and perpendicular both should be 1. So this 2 centimeter we have taken as a 1 unit, 0 to 2. Okay, this is as a 1 unit. So 1 unit I will mark. It is already marked 1 unit. This is a base, and here I have to draw perpendicular. Perpendicular, that means 90 degree we have to draw. So using D, we will draw 90 degree. Then on this 90 degree, draw an arc of 1 unit. Here we have, suppose that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So with the same length, we will draw an arc which cut on the 90 degree. This is 1 centimeter. So now base is 1 and perpendicular is 1. So this is a hypotenuse. So now I will join this line. Suppose this is O point, this is A point and this is B point. Now take radius OB. I am taking radius OB. OB radius. Now draw an arc which cut the number line or which intersect on the number line. With this radius I will draw an arc on the number line. So this is the value of root 2 on number line. Here by Pythagoras theorem, this is the value of root 2, and on the number line this value we get, this is, suppose this is a P point. So at a P point we get value of root 2. Okay, in the same way, suppose you want to calculate value of root 3. So how you will calculate root 3? What is the condition for root 3? H is equal to, again we will solve, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So for root 3, what is the condition? That the perpendicular it should be 1 and base it should be root 2. H square is equal to this. Okay, then p square plus b square. We will solve it. Then 1 square is 1, root 2 square. Square, when we will calculate square of root, then root and square it will be cancel out and we will get only 2. Root 2, root and 2 power 2 it will be cancel out. Then h square is equal to 3. This means h is equal to root 3. Okay, so in order to draw root 3 on the number line, what is the condition? That the base it should be root 2 and perpendicular it should be 1. Okay, now on the same line we will draw. Here we have drawn root 2 already. With the help of root 2, this is a base. Now we have to draw perpendicular. So perpendicular, that means 90 degree we will draw on this line. Now we are drawing root 3 on the number line. So perpendicular, that means 90 degree. 90 degree will be here. After this, join this 90 degree line. Now draw an arc of 1 unit. 1 unit we will measure from the number line. This is 1 unit. We have taken both points are of 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. So I will cut an arc of 1 unit. So this is a perpendicular. Perpendicular is 1. Okay, now condition is satisfied that base 2 and perpendicular 1. So this is the value of root 3. Join O. Suppose this is a point C. So this is the value of root 3. Now we have to draw this on the number line. So take a radius OC. OC I am taking, and cut an arc on the number line. So this is the value of root 3. The point at which it cut on the number line, this is the value of root 3. I will represent it by Q. Okay, so Q is a value of root 3 on the number line. In the same way, suppose you want to calculate value of root 5. Then how will you calculate? So in order to calculate value of root 5, I will draw separate number line because it will create confusion. Again 2 centimeter line we will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in order to calculate value of root 5, what is the condition of root 5? The perpendicular and base p square, b square plus p square. So if base is 2 square and perpendicular is 1, then square of 2 it will be 4, square of 1 is equal to 1. So h square is equal to 5. H square is equal to 5 or h is equal to root 5. So what is the condition? That base should be 2 unit and perpendicular it should be 1 unit. So base 2 unit I will take. We have marked, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 2 unit we will cut. This is a base for drawing root 5 on the number line. Okay. Now here we will draw 90 degree. 90 degree. After drawing 90 degree, we will cut an arc of 1. This is a 90 degree. Now join this 90 degree. Now draw an arc of 1 unit. 1 unit I will calculate from the number line. 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit we have taken. So 1 unit I will draw an arc. Now join this arc to the point O. So this is the value of root 5. Base is 2 and perpendicular is 1. Now we have to draw it on the number line. So what we will do, we will take radius. Suppose this is a point D. OD I will take radius and draw an arc which intersect on the number line. So this is the value of root 5. This is the value of root 5. In the same way, you can draw irrational number on the number line. Thank you so much for watching my video.